Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am showing you how to turn on the fog lights on the MG HS. So this is the new generation model. We have the lovely layout here, and you will probably start to search for the fog lights here, but they are not here. Here you can adjust the lights and of course the indicators, but not the fog lights, because the fog lights can be adjusted in here. So press this, you have the front ones, and now the rear one is on as well. So very easy to do it. And now you turn it off, and you can also do it here. So if you go to vehicle and then convenience, and here you see front fog light and rear fog lamps. So now they are turned on, and let me actually show you how it looks. So you can see here, so this is how it looks from the front. There we go, nice integration here into the bumper, and overall I'm a big fan of this design of the new MG HS. And then at the rear, there we go. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe. Plenty of videos with this car are on my channel, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.